You believe these stunning Afrocentric AI influencers were all created using simple text prompts? Today, I'm going to show you the exact how I use Dzine AI to actually generate and animate 10 powerful Afrocentric beautiful visuals and how you can do it as well. Now, each of these was made using prompts from my new Afrocentric AI UGC prompt vault, a collection I designed for creators, digital artists, and all AI lovers who want actually to blend culture, confidence, and also creativity. Now let's dive in as I actually test some of them so that you can also test by yourself. Now, if you want a full package of 25 prompts together with other 10 prompts to generate videos and also the images, I'm going to leave them in the description. So without wasting time, let's pick one by one and let's generate and see how they actually gonna turn out. Okay, so the tool I'm going to be utilizing today is none other than Dzine AI. It was formerly known as Stellar AI, one of the best that I highly recommend you to try, especially when you are actually you want to do when it comes to videos and actually images creation, because it hosts a lot of styles. Now we're gonna go here where it says new project, and then once you are there, what you're gonna do, you're gonna wait for it to give you this dashboard whereby you can name the project. Okay, I'm just gonna say Afrocentric show. Okay, and then you're going to choose the dimension or maybe the ratio. I'm going to choose this one, 9:16, and then click create or maybe apply. Now it's going to give you the dashboard to create, and on your right hand side you have whereby you can do the text to image, image to image, instant storyboard. You can do character, you can do AI video, lip sync, video editor, and much more. We're going to be focusing on this one, text to image, and then we're going to take our first prompt, which is actually this one, and we're going to choose the style that we want to generate. We have a lot of them here. That's why I highly recommend you to Dzine AI, because it hosts a lot of actually latest AI image generators. For instance, the Nano Banana, we have Seed Dream, we have ChatGPT, we have Google Image 4, we have Queen Image, we have Ideogram, we have Flax One, Seed Dream, and much more. So let's pick one. I'm going to be using Google 4 Image, and then we're going to see how it's going to generate. Now, the prompt that I'm using for this one, it is actually a royal glow, close-up of beauty. In a portrait. It is ultra realistic close-up portrait of an Afrocentric beauty influencer with deep melanin skin, flawless dewy makeup, braided crown hairstyle, softbox studio lighting, warm bronze highlights, shallow depth of field, looking directly at camera with confident smile. Okay, Vogue cover, photograph 4K, high detail, and another actually usage you can actually generate in 3 to 4 or whatever. So let's pick the ratio here, and then you're gonna generate. Okay, and then we're gonna give it a minute, and then it's gonna generate for us. So just like that, you can see how it has generated. Let me zoom in so that you guys, let me place it on the editor. Okay, this is it, and you can see how realistic, super natural, how it has come out so perfect. Okay, so this is the first image that it has created from just one prompt. Now to animate this prompt, there are tools that you can use, and one of the best which I normally use, it is none other than this Dzine AI. You come here where it says, actually let me remove this one, where it says AI video. You click there, and then you're gonna actually do what? Pick start by frame. You choose this one. Okay, and then you can actually describe what you want to create. Let's say, for instance, smiling. Okay, hands movement, or something like that, or anything depending on what you want. Then you're gonna pick the the one that you want. We have Clinch, we have Sedans, we have Sora, we have Sora 2 Pro, we have Design Video VI, Minimax. A lot of them, they are here. So let's pick one. I'm going to be using Clinch, and then you can generate here. Another simple way you can do this is actually by you getting a free image to video editor, or maybe AI application, which is Grok 4. One of my favorite. It has this new feature which is called Image. And then what you can do is actually you can create your images directly here, or maybe you take the image that you have created using Design, because they come out so perfectly. Let's say the image that we created, where is it? Let me see it. Let me just find it. Where is it? The image that we have created is here. You're gonna download actually. You download here. You can upscale if you want. If you don't want, you just leave it like that. And then once you do that, you bring the image here. This is the one that we're gonna be bringing here. You drop it here, and as you can see, it is loading. Once it has started loading, let me move this one here. Let's animate it, okay, as we wait for the design one to actually do what? Generate, okay. I didn't click the generation, so we're gonna give it a minute. Oh, I clicked actually. We're gonna give it a minute. And then this is it. You can see in Grok 4 it is being generated. So let's just see how it's gonna do, especially when it comes to actually Grok 4 image feature. And as you can see, this is the outcome. Super natural, very nice, that you can use for your UGC videos, especially if you are into AI influencers and stuff like that. And also they normally give you a free voice here. Okay, so we can actually do that. Or maybe let's move on and check the one that Dzine AI has created. As you can see, super amazing hands coming on the face, like she's touching her beautiful face, and natural, like the lips are actually just amazing, her smile and stuff like that, the hair and everything. So I'm gonna download so that you guys can see everything later. Okay, I'm gonna click download, and then let's move on to the next prompt, which is actually my prompt number 2. Let's pick the prompt here. Like I said, I have all the package. You can get this package of prompts in my description. So let me quickly do that and actually do what? Come here to design. We're gonna be utilizing text to feature, the feature text to what? Text to image. Okay, and then we click here. We can also change the style. If you don't want to use Google stuff, you can use Nano Banana. Let's see how Nano Banana gonna do. I didn't actually choose the dimension. Let's see how Nano Banana gonna do, or maybe what it's gonna create. Okay, so guys, if you're enjoying this video, you want to see more tutorials, especially when it comes to AI and these AI tools, do me one favor, like the video, subscribe, and also share this video. So this is the one that has been created. We're gonna place it on the canvas, and you can see it is actually super realistic. A full shot of Afrocentric model, futuristic gold and indigo outfit, holographic accents, neon city skyline at night, reflective wet pavement, editorial pose, cinematic rim light, ultra detailed. Okay, now another tip is actually use higher stylization for artful results. And you can see this is the one we're gonna download, because I said if you're gonna download, if you want to use Grok 4, it's gonna do some work. But for me, I highly recommend you to use the feature in Dzine AI, because it gives just the same way you have done what maybe it gives you more realistic and also more perfect results. So we're gonna choose, okay, we're gonna do what? We're gonna click here, and then like I said, you can actually turn this one into video. You pick the image. Now let's go to Grok 4, and then We're gonna use this one. I don't know what's happened to my laptop. Let's remove this one. This one I didn't download. I'm gonna download it because we're gonna be using. Gonna return back and then bring our image. Okay, the image that we have gotten, Afrocentric. Let's drop it here and let's see what it's gonna generate for us. Okay. Okay, so this is it. We're gonna actually give it a minute and we can see what it has created for us. Let's see. She's modeling and super realistic, super amazing, guys. And it has been generated using Grok 4. Okay, super amazing. So I'm gonna download this and then I'll continue with my another prompt. Let's hear this one, the sound. Okay, that's the magic of Grok 4. Let's move on to another prompt. Like I said, I won't do all of them. I just want to show you some of them, but you can get this in my description. Let's do that. Okay, I'm gonna take that one, put in Dzine AI, come to text to feature using Nano Banana. Should I use Nano Banana or another one? Let me just stick on let me use Google. I find it Google amazing also, even though Nano Banana is still one of my favorite. Let me use this one first and then generate, click generate. Okay, just like that, it's gonna generate for us. Actually, this was created by Nano Banana. Okay, even this one is amazing. We're gonna download and then we're gonna actually turn it into animation. So let's wait. Let's just wait and see what Google 4 gonna generate for us so that we can utilize it as well. Okay, now if you're finding value and you want to see all, do me one favor, guys, like the video, subscribe, and let's move on. Okay, and think it has created our images here. So this one, I want to show you something. This one is an influencer because we just generalize an influencer. But if we put an African influencer, she's gonna come out in a blue, you know what? Not a blue, in an African ethnicity. So I'm gonna add African. Okay, because we are into Afrocentric. African influencer in terry robe, applying serum in a bright minimal bathroom. Natural morning light, warm tones, close up. Now I'm going to generate this one using Google and also using Nano Banana. Okay, just to see how the difference. So we're going to give it a minute and then we see how it's going to come out. Okay, guys, so let's just give it a minute. So just like that, as you can see, this is our African beautiful girl. Applying a serum, very beautiful, the light, the robe and everything, and the product that they are actually she's actually using. You can use this one for your products, especially if you are into beauty products. So I'm going to download and then I'm going to bring it to actually do what to use later, or I can actually turn it into animation. Okay, and if you want to see all the videos, or maybe you want to generate all the images and turn them, I'm going to leave, like I said, I'm going to leave the prompt in my description. So I'm going to drop it here and let's give it a minute to see what it has generated. Okay. So just like that, you can see what Grok 4 is doing. Super amazing work. She's applying the serum and it is just beautiful, guys. You can use this for your products. And let's listen to the sound. So you can see it is super realistic image to video, or maybe it has animated it into very realistic visuals that you can actually utilize, especially if you are content creator, if you're a business person. So guys, I'm going to leave you here so that you can actually test by yourself. The prompts that I use, they are in my description. Get them and start utilizing them for your own creativity. Until next time, guys, if you're loving this content, you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe and also to share this video. Bye bye.